YouTube? Today, I don't know if you guys know, but I'm in baseball, so I'm gonna be doing what's in my bag, in my baseball bag. So yeah, sorry guys. This is my baseball bag, and let me show you. So this first part right here is where the hook goes. So like you can put it in the zipper. Sorry for the light. Hold on. Alright, so you can put it in there, and then you could just zip it up. It's like, hold on. Alright, so there we go. And what's in here is, I used to have baseball gloves in here, but I don't know where I don't have nothing in here. So there's really nothing there. Over here is probably the main part. This is where my helmet is. Oh, sorry. This is where my helmet is. And it has a face mask. We got these helmets too for Disney. So yeah, put that back in there. So I'm just gonna close this. Now what's in this pocket here is some of my gloves, batting gloves. I have some Franklin gloves, and I got these when we went to Disney with, but they're house sandy, so I mean kind of dirty, but that's what I have in there. And then shoot, gotta put this back. Alright, now last but not least, this part. I used to actually have my glove in here, and the gloves, I used to have my helmet in here and my gloves in that pocket, but I switched it, and here I'll show my gloves. So these are what my gloves are. I have my regular glove and my first baseman gloves right there. So I have two gloves in there. And then actually there's some, this is not the last part. I forgot about this. So basically you open it, and I don't want to put it out, but it's for your helmet. So instead of putting your helmet in there, you can put it like outside, so it can be like big right there. But I don't want to take it out because then I have to put it all back in. So yeah, that's my baseball bag. Here it is from a better view. That's my baseball bag. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.